Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do the brief introduction about the Arduino boards. Arduino organization is evolving day by day, but since we are starting our journey for the IoT, so I would like to explain how and what are the boards that we have and how we are going to start from the basics and what are the things that we are going to use in the future. I'll explain about how you can install the Arduino IDE software and how you can download your first program on it, how you can write a code on the Arduino IDE. All these things will be explained in the future videos. So today we are going to explain all these boards one by one. As you can see on the extreme right side, I have one Arduino Pro Mini. This board is called Pro Mini. This board is the smallest form of this Arduino UNO board. As you can see, the controller that we have over here, it is ATmega 328P. The same controller is being used over here. This is the same microcontroller that is being used on the Arduino UNO, but in the small form factor. So what is the basic difference with this board is that you don't have any USB integration part in this board. If you want to program it, you need to use the FTDI programmer to program this chip because there is no onboard UART controller built in. So this is the limitation with this board. Although all other things are same, you can use the PWM pins, you can use the analog pins, you can use the digital pins, whatever the interface you are going to use or you will be needing in future, like I2C, SPI, whatever, it will be included in this small package. So this is very small in size and it is very precise. Also, it is very efficient as well for the small circuits. But if you are beginner and you are just starting your journey with the IoT, I would like to recommend to have this Arduino UNO board. This Arduino UNO board we have is the basic, and a lot of new students are using this board because this board is a complete package. You just need to plug in the USB and then you are good to go with the program, with your first program. So what are the things included in this Arduino UNO board? First of all, this is the UART controller that you are seeing over here. This UART controller is responsible to program this chip by this USB. Whenever you are connecting the USB over here, this controller is going to transfer the hex code in this microcontroller over here. This is the power regulation IC, and this is the voltage regulator. You can plug in 12 volt, 18 volt max, and then this IC will convert it to the 5 volt because this is the 5 volt circuit, and this board requires 5 volt to be powered on. On the right side, on the left side, we have the reset pin, 3.3 volt, 5 volt, ground, and voltage in. Whatever you are putting in voltage over here, this pin V in, you can take out the same voltage, whatever you are giving over here. So analog inputs are here, digital outputs are there. Some of the pins in the digital GPIOs are PWM as well. You have one UART pin, but Arduino provide the functionality of software serial as well, so you can use any of the pins as a software serial if you want. So this is the Arduino UNO. This is the limitation of this board is only that you are not having that much digital pins to use for the multiple sensors if you want. So with this Arduino Mega board, you are overcoming this issue because, as you can see, this board is bigger in size. As well, the controller that is on this board is bigger than ATmega 328P. This board is ATmega 2560. It is having 56 digital pins, and along with 16 pins of analog input, and so much you can do because you have multiple UART interfaces with this board. So if you are using multiple peripherals, like you have GPS module, you have GSM module, both are on the UART, so you can connect easily on this board. So this is also for the tutorial basis, it is very good, and you can use it conveniently. So I'll explain in the future videos how you are going to use all these 3 boards. I'll explain how you can install the Arduino IDE. I'll explain how you can download the libraries, and how you can use the onboard LED. There is an onboard LED with this board and this board as well. So right now Arduino organization is evolving day by day, and they are launching the latest boards, including on ARM processors as well. So we will be focusing on that on future videos as well. So right now I just have these boards with me, and I'm going to explain these in the future video. So this is it. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.